Ooh, my package from China has arrived early. Let's see what goodies are inside. I have a number of projects that are on hold whilst waiting for some of these parts, and hopefully there will be a few toys to play with as well. This order came from my usual supplier, Survey2014. I've been buying parts from these guys for years and have never had a problem. This package actually arrived 6 days early. I need to order more parts from China and I'll get better at opening these bloody boxes. This was a particularly big order, so I have forgotten some of the things that I purchased, and it's going to be like Christmas in October. Lots of interesting looking packages and breadboards. I have so many projects on the fly that I've run out of breadboards. That won't be a problem anymore. Okay, that's everything. Now to look at each item in more detail. These ILI9341 LCDs are a staple of many projects of mine, so I have to restock these a fair bit. Childproof packaging. Alright, now, where do I start? This is a MAX98357 DAC and Class D amplifier that I ordered for testing my synthesizer. My ILI9341 LCD. These are a great size for small projects and cost less than 20 bucks. They are cheap enough for most projects but too expensive to keep more than a couple in stock. This one's exciting. An AY38910 sound generator. These were originally made by General Instruments from 1978. GI became Microchip in 1987. I'm surprised that these were still in production in 87. There was also some stackable headers. Not particularly interesting, but I was getting low on them. This is a USB adapter with 4 different sockets. And here we have some USB-C breakouts. An ESP32-S3 module. You can't have too many of those. And a mist maker. This should be a fun toy to play with. And a roll of wire wrapping wire for the transistor logic experiments so that I can actually connect the boards together. An EHT power supply, another toy to play with. And of course, heaps of breadboards. And that concludes the unboxing. Next, I'll have to put everything into stock so I won't end up losing things before I can get a chance to play with them. I won't video that though, as it will be tedious. This EHT will be interesting. It's an odd assortment of parts that will make a really dodgy toy. Leave a comment if you want a video of it being assembled and tested. as expected, a nice simple schematic that uses feedback from a winding to make the transistor oscillate. I have no idea what I'll do with this thing, but I'm guessing high voltage and lasers will have to be involved. And that concludes this video.